Lucy, how often is the death penalty used then in corruption cases like this, especially when it involves government officials or heads of state-owned firms?
Yes, so China does have capital punishment in place for corruption cases involving over 3 million yuan, or just about $500,000. Of course, in practice, it is very seldom used. One of the most recent cases was in 2018 involving a deputy mayor who was found to have accepted bribes over 1 billion yuan. What we see a lot more of in China's ongoing anti-graft campaign are these very long jail sentences. So, for example, Yang Jiatai, who was formerly at China's banking regulator, and Yao Gang, an official at China's, or a former official at China's securities regulator, were sentenced to 16 and 18 years in prison for corruption.
Okay, it's a potential, likely it is a signal here. What's the impact likely going to be, though? I mean, should this sentence be seen as a warning to others?
Yeah, so according to the court statement, the legal proceedings found that Lai's behavior endangered national financial security and financial stability. We know that during his tenure at Huarong, the state-owned company's businesses expanded into securities, trusts, investments, futures, just really deviating from its original mandate of disposing bad loans. And since Lai was taking in, there's been significant damage to the business, and, its Hong Kong shares are now less than a third of their value when they were listed. And so according to at least one lawyer that we spoke with, they thought that the severity of the sentence should really be seen as a warning, especially in sort of shattering this belief that corruption isn't punishable by death.